now the question comes, what is supervised learning? So supervised learning, there are two things that we should keep in mind. First itself, the name, it is supervised learning, which means there is a person who is supervising this entire machine learning process. And the second thing is, all the input data which is fed to the system is all labeled data, and we are working towards a desired outcome. So all results which are around prediction generally falls under supervised learning. Like if in case you want to predict whether you'll pass or fail a particular exam, so in that case you can use this. The other area where it can be used is like if you want to predict weather, if you want to predict stock prices, and so on and so forth. Now comes the million-dollar question, what is unsupervised learning? Now let me explain this concept with my own example, and then the technical things will anyways follow. So I'm not a big fan of football match, but my husband is. So at times I have to sit next to him and watch some of his favorite games. Now I don't actually understand the game, and since he is engrossed in that game, he doesn't have time to explain it all to me. So what do? I sit next to him and I keep watching all the actions on my television. And when I watch these, I pick up some of the cues, like which are the two teams playing, what is a goal, and how many goals each team have scored, what are the color of t-shirt of each team versus the other one, how are audiences reacting when maximum audience is cheering. So I try to understand, okay, this is the favorite team of audience. And also basis the action and the reaction of my husband, I pick up some more clues. So basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to learn about the game by the information that is coming across to me. I'm trying to cluster some of the information okay, the blue color t-shirt team is this team versus the yellow color t-shirt is. So I'm trying to cluster the team members according to the t-shirt color. I'm trying to build an association that, okay, this is a favorite team because audiences are reacting very heavily for this or cheering to this team. So this is, if I have to tell you, this is exactly what happens with machine, where machines are thrown with a lot of information and they have to themselves learn about it, and this is all is unsupervised learning. So what is reinforcement learning? Let me tell you an example and simplify it. Just imagine you are in the middle of an island and you are very hungry. What do? You look around and you find a tree which has some fruits, but you don't know what kind of fruit it is. You just go there, you pluck the fruit, you eat it, and it's terribly bitter. You just throw it away. What do you do next? You look around and you find another tree with some fruits. You go there, you pluck that fruit, you eat it, and that's very sweet. This is how nature actually rewards us for every right decision and penalizes us for every wrong decision. And this is how we learn in our life. Something similar happens in case of reinforcement learning as well. There is an agent, there is an environment. We know the starting point, we know the end point. Whenever this agent reaches the end point and the result is correct, it gets rewarded. But in case the result is incorrect, it gets penalized. But what are the steps that agent has taken to reach to that goal is something with the agent itself. And this is all about reinforcement learning. Hope you liked today's video, and in case you have any questions, please drop in the comment section and we'll be happy to answer. With that, me Sarika Hussain signing off for today. Have a good day.